name is Val, and I'm a volunteer here at Frederick Law Olmsted National Historic Site. And the large tree behind me is a shagbark hickory. And we don't know exactly, Carrea ovata is its name, and we don't know exactly when it was planted, but we do have a picture that John Charles Olmsted, Frederick Sr.'s oldest son, took in 1911, so we know it was here then, and it was a pretty good-sized tree. You can see, looking at it, why it's called a shagbark hickory. The bark is extremely shaggy. It does develop hickory nuts. Unfortunately, we don't tend to get any of them because the critters, mostly the squirrels, tend to get them and eat them all, but they do fall down on our heads sometimes, and then when the nuts are falling, as they are right now in early August, we have to sweep this area and also the steps going down into the hollow because it is really a hazard. So that's the shagbark hickory.